Remember I asked where Khalil at? He too quiet?
Where Khalil? Hurry up, we gotta go. Come on, Alicia outside. Let's go. Hurry up. Get up there, boss. Why are you hiding? Huh?
Why you hiding in the box? Huh? Why are you hiding in the box?
How did you figure that out?